Hi friends, good evening. Today we had a phenomenal rally in ITC and Bank Nifty. As I predicted that 14th September is a phenomenal day for Bank Nifty, and that too especially PSU banks. And today it has went near to all-time high. It was good to see that ITC came back on the exact TCD date, which is today, and it broke the resistance. It went and touched its resistance, which is 233, and it closed little below. So any close above 233, the targets I already mentioned in the PPT, you can check, but my ultimate target is 280. And if you see, one big guy is not moved in Bank Nifty from July 2021, and still it is hovering at the same price. So, and tomorrow it's biggest TCD for that guy. So I thought I can cover that, how to trade, HDFC Bank tomorrow, which is having a more weightage in Bank Nifty. Okay, so as I already mentioned, tomorrow is Ekadasi on Friday, so there will be some fall I'm expecting. In case if that happens, then you can mark the high and low of HDFC Bank tomorrow, and then whenever it crosses the high of yesterday, you can simply buy with the stop loss of yesterday, tomorrow's low. And one more counter is having trend change day tomorrow is Wipro. You can also watch that because Nifty, Infi is struggling to move that TCD, number. And Wipro is having 2 dates. Infi already finished his 2 dates in this month, and then Tata Motors already have finished 2 days in this month. And the last one is Wipro. I think tomorrow and 29th was the date. Okay, so first we will go see that TCD dates, and then we will go to the chart of HDFC Bank and see how the magic happened in TCD in HDFC Bank in the earlier days. And all these dates you already have in your system, which I already sent back in the month of May, June, July, August, all that. So you can go and verify all that. So now we will go to the number game, and then from there we'll go to the chart and see how HDFC Bank is looking for tomorrow. Okay. First I'll share the screen. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, anyway, where is HDFC Bank? Okay, yeah. See, this is HDFC Bank. See, on a monthly basis, any close above 1547 is bullish. Okay, today it closed at 1561. So based on monthly, it is bullish above 1547. Okay, and these are these are the short term and long term. So it has given a buy at 1275, and from there today it is quoting at 1560. Okay, so now we'll come to the date. Okay, so July 8th, it had a major yearly trend change date, and the trend change date high was 1538 and the low was 1513. And this date high and low you already have. If you go and check in your PPT in the month of July, I clearly mentioned the date, which is July 8th. So which is 1538 and 1513. And the next major yearly date is coming in the month of December. December 19th is the major trend change date which is going to happen. Okay, and in between there is another trend change date. I think it came in the month of May. I've already marked everything in the chart. We will go to the chart and then we will see how HDFC Bank respected the TCD numbers. Okay, so now I'll share the graph. Okay, hope you are able to see my graph. See, this was July 8th. I marked in yellow color. So you already know whenever is a yearly date, I mark in yellow color. And the another big trend change date, I used to mark this color, and the date was 6th May 2021. Okay. So now after this 6th May 2021, that was the bottom, and from there it moved up. Okay, and exactly on 8th July, okay, it made a high and low. I marked the high and low in blue color line and red color line. The high of this day I marked in blue color, and the low of this day I marked in red color. Okay, and after this day it is not able to move above this high, which is the blue color line, which is 1538. Okay, from there it is falling. and exactly it took the support here, which was the previous TCD here. Okay, TCD high, the previous TCD high I marked in blue color, and the low I marked in red color. Okay, so exactly it came down, took the support. See, it is only a matter of 20 points here. Okay, but it respected the TCD, high here, and from there it started moving up. And once it crossed, it's actually a buy. Again, what happened? It is coming and testing this number yesterday, and today also it touched this number, and from there only it is going up. So till it holds the low of 8th July, which is 1513, this guy is long only. Okay, and there is one resistance I'll show you in my system. That's a separate system which I designed. Okay, so now what I marked is till it holds, this is the Vedic number, 1508 is a Vedic number. Till it holds 1508, the targets are 1563, 1597, 1631, 1652, 1686, and 1741. And believe me, this guy is not moving at all. Okay, so there will be a big move. Maybe I'll try in case if I get any rounding pattern here. I don't know. More or less, we are getting a rounding pattern. Mostly, yes. Yes. Okay, so the hurdle will be here at 1633. Once it breaks 1633, the targets is the range of the low of this. So if I take the range, then the target should be roughly around 1977. Okay, so see, as I already mentioned, the Bank Nifty targets in the yesterday night. So in case if that has to achieve, I think I mentioned roughly around 50,200 something. In case if that needs to achieve, then this guy has to perform well. Okay, so now exactly it has taken a support at the TCD high, which is 1538, and it closed at 1561. So till it holds 1513, absolutely there is no worry in this counter. Okay, so now I will go to my system. I will tell you how it works in my system. Okay, so now see, you already know this red color line and blue color line. Okay, so see what happened, it gave a sell here. So once it is a sell, whenever it goes and touches the red color line, it will fall. So whenever it goes and touches the red color line, it will fall. Again, here also it went and touched, and then the fall. Okay, so now from there, this is a 15 minutes duration, and exactly today it gave a buy at 2 o'clock. Okay, after that only we saw a big move in Bank Nifty today. Once it crosses the 37,200 straight, it went up by 500 points. Okay, in the last 1.5 hours. Okay, so today it gave a buy, and this is 1547, which I already mentioned in the Excel sheet, which is the monthly number. So it is trading above this monthly number, and there is a buy on 15 minutes candle, and there is one more big number which is here, which is 1578. This will act as a major hurdle. Once it breaks this number, then possibility of all the upside targets which I mentioned in the previous slide, it works. Until it is holding this buy on a 15 minutes candle, you can stay long with a stop loss of 1542. Okay, so now I will go and try to take a trade tomorrow in case if it comes to this level 1547. I'll try to take a trade in case if the market comes down with a maximum stop loss of 2 rupees, not more than that. Okay, 2 rupees is more than enough for HDFC. And 1 minute, if I check, 1 minute is in sell, and once it breaks this also I can go long 1562. If it breaks tomorrow, I will go for a long. Okay, so now 1547 holds the key, and 1577 on the upper side. If you go and check on the 1 hour candle, 1 hour system, so the 1 hour system says this has to cross this red color line, and above this red color line 1578 is sitting. So it has to break 1578 tomorrow to move up. Okay, so this is what about HDFC Bank, and these are the counters which I keep it to track my TCD dates. Okay, so the recent one was ITC. Okay, so on a daily candle, so it was a breakout, and yesterday my system, the red color line, if I think if I remove this, you will know. See, my system, once it breaks this red color line, it will zoom. Okay, so this is what happened, and this high was a TCD high, which happened long back. Maybe if you want, I don't know whether I have marked that rate. Maybe I'll check that. 233.65. Okay, I'll go and check whether I marked that date somewhere. The back. No, I don't know where I marked. Okay, so now, so once it breaks this 233.65, yes, bigger side targets are, is yet to come. So now you witnessed a lot of PSU banks was moving too good today, and if you see, these are the banks which moved today. SBI, I mentioned above 433, and I also mentioned that, a lot of consolidation was happening in, HDFC, SBI around 433. Once it broken 433 2 days back, and then today we saw a phenomenal move in SBI. So these are the banks, and one guy is still in my radar is CUB, which is not moved at all. Yeah, I'll check CUB. Yeah, still it is in red only, and this guy has to move above my red color line, which is 163.95. Once it crosses that, maybe I'll go long in this counter. So other counters are looking very good, and I've already mentioned many times the IndusInd Bank target is 1330. So it has to come, and today only it has given a buy on a day candle. Today only it has given a buy, so long way to go. Okay, watch out for this guy, but these are all positional bet. 1330 is a target for HDFC Bank. IndusInd Bank. Okay, so now, and Tata Steel, all in a shorter time frame, it is all looking weak. So you need to be a little careful. And today it is Tata Steel has given a sell. It's given a sell. Okay, so now JSW. Yeah, JSW is not in sell. Jindal Steel, yes, it's in sell. Sale, it's in sell. See, whenever it goes and touches my red color line, it will fall. Okay, so Hindalco, and I'll show Nifty in my system. Okay, one second. See, this is 15 minutes. I've marked all numbers. See, it has given a buy here at 16611 on 24th August. Until now, there is no sale. It's a clear trending mode is happening. But Bank Nifty, 15 minutes, yes, there's a little bit hanky-panky here. But after yesterday's 14th September, it's a phenomenal move. Watch out for 21 September. See, I will normally I'll get the dates, but my guru used to tell me whether that date it's going to be bullish or bearish. And normally September 21st is a very, very important date. And if you go and check before, all happened around that date only. Nirmala candle, many things. If you go and check September 21st, as I already told you that the major yearly date for Nifty is June 21st. Okay, we'll go to the June 21st and see what happens. Okay, June 21st. Okay, so this is June 21st, because June 21st is holiday, so you need to take June 22nd high and low. So June 22nd high and low is this. So this is June 22nd high and low. So after it crossed this high and it came and touched also here, and from there we had a phenomenal move. And if you go and check the previous one, which was March 21, we'll go to the March 21. March 22. Okay, March 21 is holiday, so we need to take March 22, and this is the high and low. And once it breaks, this high, but this candle was so big, okay, roughly around 400 points, move in this candle. So once it breaks that, it's a phenomenal rally. So now we'll watch out for 21st and 23rd. 21st is Tuesday and 23rd is Thursday. Okay, so these 2 dates are very crucial, and 24th also there is one astro event is happening on 24th also. So 3 combination dates we need to watch. And according to my group, the trend change which has happened in Bank Nifty on 14th September because of Saturn and Jupiter conjunction, is saying this rally will extend till November 2nd week. I think he mentioned 22nd is the date. According to me, it is November 2nd week. He's saying the rally will be in Bank Nifty till November 2nd week. So any downside in Bank Nifty, it's a simple buy. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. In case if you like it, you subscribe it. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so please contact your financial advisor before doing any investment. Thank you. Bye.